Greetings, YouTube. Once again, I know it's been a very long time. I still get a lot of phones. I just haven't been making a lot of videos on them. I apologize for that. I have other things I have to do. Not a primary, YouTube is not my primary thing, but I just do it kind of for fun. Anyway, I had the S10. I still have it. I like the phone. I never did a review on it. You watch my unboxing. You may have noticed I had a little issue with the fingerprint scanner, and that's been my main issue with this phone. I've seen other reviewers that really liked it, and the fingerprint scanner worked very well for them. They just tapped it, but I've never gotten it to work like I want. I mean, it does work for Samsung Pay maybe 90% of the time, and that's primarily what I like to use it for, so that's good. But unlocking a device, it doesn't work very well or consistent, at least not for me. I've tried different methods of registering both fingers at the same time, and then usually my right thumb works, but then after a while the left will just stop working. But anyway, this is a OnePlus unboxing and not a Galaxy S10 Plus review. But that's just my thoughts on the S10 Plus. It's a great phone. I do like it. But, I like a lot of phones. So I also have I actually bought a OnePlus 6T a few months ago. I don't believe I did an unboxing on it. And I really like this phone a lot. And what I like about OnePlus is they're almost like the old, remember the Nexus phones prior to the Pixel? They're like the new Nexus for me. They're kind of stock Android still. They have the Oxygen OS on top, but it's still basically just about stock Android with a few customizations. So I don't know, they seem to be the new Nexus phone for me. The Pixel's it's still a Google phone, but it's gotten away from that kind of a Nexus developer geeky type phone that not a lot of people didn't know about, to a more mainstream, which is cool. But anyway, I'm rambling again. I ordered the OnePlus a few days ago, and it shipped very fast. I also got their wireless, their Bluetooth earpieces. I forgot what you call them. The Bullets wireless too, and the car charger I got. I wanted to get this last year I think I had the prior OnePlus, the OnePlus, not the 6, but the one before that. I can't remember, but I had that one, and the charger was out of stock, but now they got a new one. It was the car charger, and I got a carbon case and a OTG cable. So anyway, once again rambling. Let me get to the unboxing. So I have the 256 blue model. It's the 256 Nebula Blue. So with 8 gigs of RAM. I didn't get the 12. I think 8 is good enough for me. But kind of excuse me, I haven't done an unboxing in a while, so I forgot how awkward it is trying to do it behind the camera. But nice presentation as usual. And I've had almost every OnePlus except, I skipped a few of them, but I got the original OnePlus 1 with the where you could only get it through like if someone had like an invite. So, and I got an invite, and then I got like a couple of invites. So here's the nice packaging, and smell the package. But I've watched a few videos, so I know there's a nice case in here, which is cool. And I really appreciate that they give you like not a fancy case, but a TPU case, clear. And that's basically really all you need. But I like to try different cases. So I'm gonna put that back in here. Try to keep it all neat. Get straight to the phone. So here it is, and it's a big phone. The OnePlus 7 Pro. And here is the other stuff. You have the very fast and this is even a bigger charger, the warp charger. And OnePlus, that's another thing I really love. I've never seen anything charge as fast, and this is probably even faster. And then you have the really thick cable they use for OnePlus right here, really very thick USB-C cable, which is really nice. So I'm gonna put that to the side because I know y'all just want to see the phone. Never settle. And I'm hoping this will work on Project 5. I'm sure it will. So this is a really, really nice looking phone. The Nebula Blue. I've never seen it in person, but I've seen videos and they said it's like a matte finish, and that's what it is. And it's a really nice all-screen phone. And so comparing it to the S10 Plus, it's about the same size, maybe a little bigger actually. Actually a little wider and a little taller. Not a whole lot wider. Well, actually no, it's not that much wider. Actually it's not. It looks wider. And there's the camera. The camera that comes up out of the case, which is pretty cool. And I don't use the front-facing camera a lot, so I know I'm not gonna probably wear that out. I might use it a little bit. So you have the volume rocker and the silence vibrate and sound rocker, and then your power on one side, of course, your volume on the other side. I said volume rocker, but here's the volume rocker is actually on this side, the left side. You saw the camera portion where the front-facing camera comes up, a mic on the top, USB-C on the bottom, a speaker. I believe that's the SIM tray on the bottom now, and we have a speaker right here in the grill also. So it's a dual speaker. So a really nice phone. I've always liked, like I said, I always liked a OnePlus, and I'm curious to see how the 90 hertz refresh works versus 60. I think I'm gonna really like that. I know the iPad is 120, and it's the only device that has that high of a refresh, but it's a tablet. So, but 90 hertz that's the highest on the phone, so that ought to be pretty neat. Another thing I like is having 256 gigs of storage. You know, they don't give you an external SD, but I like that they give you a lot of storage, and that's something I really like. And it's got the new type of storage too that's a little bit faster. So anyway, a lot of you guys probably know what that is. I haven't been keeping up with that stuff as well as I should. Anyway, this is just a quick unboxing and look at the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm kind of excited to get it going, get all my information on it. I'm saying I haven't been doing any reviews, but I really like this phone. I'm trying to get a review up for you guys and do some comparisons. I'm probably gonna sell a lot of phones. I've got too many. I'm actually in phone overload. Excuse me, I'm rumbling, but I've got like 5 or 6 phones, and I haven't did any reviews on them. I've just been getting them and using them and switching the SIM. But anyway, I'm gonna have to sell a lot of those because I can't afford to keep all these phones. So I guess I could afford it, but I'm probably gonna sell them. And I have the like the OnePlus 6T. I'm returning that for a cash back from OnePlus. Hopefully I've had good luck so far with my other phones, swapping them and trading them in. So hopefully the phone's in really good condition. You can see here. So hopefully I'll have good luck with them. They're not giving me probably as much as I will make on Swapper, but it's something. It's a good chunk. Anyway, I'm rounding again. This is the brief unboxing of the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm sorry. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day.